In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Xbox Series X or S console to the Xbox app on your phone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now begin by opening up the Xbox app on your phone. If it's your first time, sign in with the same account you use on your Xbox, and once you're in, tap the library icon in the bottom right and hit get started. If you're setting up a brand new console, choose that option and enter the code that'll be popping up on your TV. But if your console's already set up, choose add an existing console instead. Now you're going to have to now go on your console and enable it, so go ahead and enable those remote features, and this will allow you to install games remotely on your device, control your console from your device as well, and of course use remote play. Just follow the prompts, sign in if needed. On your Xbox, you're going to see a message pop up as long as it's the same account. You just have to hit enable, and then from here just hit test remote play and then just move around on here and you'll be good to go. Now for the best experience, I would make sure that your console is going to be set to sleep mode instead of energy saving. To change this, go ahead and go up to the settings up at the very top, selected, and then go ahead and stay in this general tab, but go ahead and find power options. Open it up, make sure it's set to sleep instead of like shut down, for example, and you'll be good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Everything else can now be done inside the app. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.